Hello and welcome to Page's Power. Today we are stepping into Chapter 15 of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. This chapter is about something every human being deeply longs for, something we chase in many ways but often miss: true happiness. Before we start, let me remind you, if you are finding this content inspiring and valuable, don't forget to subscribe to Page's Power. Your support means everything and helps us bring more life-changing wisdom to you. The search for happiness. Think for a moment. What do people usually do to find happiness? Some run after money. Some run after fame. Others keep changing jobs, places, or relationships, hoping that happiness will finally arrive. But Joseph Murphy reminds us that happiness is not something outside you. Happiness is not waiting at the end of some big achievement. Happiness is created inside, by the thoughts you choose and the way you use your subconscious mind. Happiness is a mental habit. The key message of this chapter is powerful. Happiness is a habit. It is not dependent on circumstances. It is not dependent on what others say or do. It is a way of thinking, a choice you train your subconscious mind to accept. If you wake up each morning and say to yourself, "Today I choose happiness. Today I will look for reasons to smile. Today I will stay thankful," your subconscious begins to align your emotions and actions with that choice. On the other hand, if you keep repeating "life is unfair," "nothing works for me," "people don't respect me," then your subconscious accepts that as truth and gives you more sadness. How to build happiness in your subconscious. Joseph Murphy shares some practical steps that anyone can use to reprogram the mind for happiness and decide to be happy. Happiness begins with a decision. No one can force you to be miserable without your permission. You must firmly decide, "I deserve to be happy. I will be happy." Practice gratitude. Gratitude is the fastest way to shift your mood. Every night before sleep, recall at least 5 things you are thankful for. Your subconscious will carry that positivity into your dreams and your tomorrow. 3. Focus on solutions, not problems. Everyone faces challenges. The difference between a happy person and an unhappy one is simple. The happy person focuses on what can be done. The unhappy person only complains about what is wrong. 4. Surround yourself with uplifting inputs. Be careful about what you watch, read, and listen to. Your subconscious absorbs it all. Feed your mind with uplifting books, positive conversations, and motivating environments. Imagine 2 workers in the same office. Both have the same salary, same boss, and same workload. One spends his day complaining about every small issue. The other smiles, greets people kindly, focuses on solutions, and thanks God for the opportunity to grow. A motivating example. Imagine 2 workers in the same office. Both have the same salary, same boss, and same workload. One spends his day complaining about every small issue. The other smiles, greets people kindly, focuses on solutions, and thanks God for the opportunity to grow. At the end of the week, both have lived the same days outwardly, but one feels tired, bitter, and unhappy, while the other feels light, motivated, and peaceful. The difference is not in the outside world. The difference is in their subconscious programming. Why happiness attracts more good. Joseph Murphy highlights that happiness is not only an emotion, it is also a magnet. When you are happy, you radiate positive energy. People want to be around you. Opportunities are drawn to you. Even your health improves because your body responds positively to joy. Science confirms this too. Studies show that people who cultivate happiness and gratitude live longer, have stronger immune systems, and build better relationships. So the more happiness you create within, the more blessings flow into your life. Steps to practice daily. Let's make this practical. Here are 3 things you can do every day to train your subconscious mind for happiness. 1. Morning affirmation. As soon as you wake up, say, "Today is a wonderful day. I choose happiness. Everything I need will come to me at the right time." 2. Smile more. Even if you don't feel like it, practice smiling. A smile signals your subconscious that you are safe, loved, and open to joy. 3. Help someone daily. True happiness grows when you give. A kind word, a small act of help, or even just listening to someone can make both of you happier. Believe you deserve happiness. One of the biggest blocks to happiness is the hidden belief that you don't deserve it. Maybe you were told in childhood that life is hard, or that you are not good enough. But the truth is different. You were created for joy. You were given a mind and heart designed for peace. So today, remove that false belief. Say to yourself, "I deserve happiness. I am worthy of peace. My subconscious is filled with joy and love." Happiness is not tomorrow. Happiness is not when you achieve something big. Happiness is a choice you can make right now. Decide today that you will no longer wait for perfect conditions. Decide that you will carry happiness inside you, like a lamp that shines wherever you go. When you train your subconscious with thoughts of joy, gratitude, and peace, happiness becomes your natural state. And once happiness is within, no outside event can take it away from you.